So we're at the Columbia campus today launching the Mazda program here, which is a fabulous program that Mazda has put together for students. It's really addressing all the needs that a student would have. It gives them training on Mazda. It offers an internship that's paid so you can learn while on the job. It also gives you tuition reimbursement, and that's a really big plus. Over 3 years, they'll give you $15,000 to help you pay off your loan. So I really would encourage anyone who's interested in the automotive field to really look into this Mazda program. It's the best that I've seen out there from any of the OEMs.
We talk to a lot of schools, and obviously we select Lincoln Tech because of their willingness to partner with Mazda. In this program, there is a piece of everybody's, there's an element from school to also participate in, and that's what we're looking for, right? We didn't want to just drop the program off. We wanted our dealers to participate, we wanted the school to participate, we're participating, and I think the most important thing is we want the students to participate. And the quality of the students that we're seeing at Lincoln Tech, they come across as a group of people who are very dedicated to what their career and their path. So that's why we opted to go with Lincoln Tech. We did a lot of homework. We interviewed a lot of our students, a lot of technicians in our current system, and a lot of them who have left us. And we want to make sure we design a program that's attractive, right? And the program is not about partnering with Lincoln just for the school portion. The program is designed to extend that learning environment into the real work environment a year after graduation. So I think the program is good for the students here. I think it's because it continues the education, a more real-world education, right, versus a technical book education. And what we're trying to do is make it easier for your students to transition into the real world.